3 Android settings to make your phone unstealable. Are you concerned about getting your phone stolen? Losing a mobile phone can be a major problem, particularly when thieves turn off tracking features by powering off your device or switching it to airplane mode. According to a step-by-step guide uploaded on Instagram, users should follow the instructions to protect themselves from their mobile phones getting stolen. First, go to Settings and tap on Security and Privacy. Now go to More Security and Privacy and enable the option Require Password to power off. Go to Settings, go to Notifications and Status Bar, then go to More Settings, then turn off. Swipe down on the lock screen to view the notification drawer. This disables the quick setting panel from the lock screen. Now the thief can't even turn on your airplane mode. Third, go to Settings and go to Security and Privacy and select Device Finders. Select Turn on Find My Devices. Turn on the With Network in all areas. Applying these 3 essential settings on your Android device, you can majorly improve its security and reduce the risk of theft. Assuring your phone is trackable and its data protected will give you a peace of mind and safeguard against potential loss.